How to search the ITS benefits database in 4 easy steps. You can start by navigating to the ITS Deployment Evaluation website. You can access the benefit data portion of the website by selecting the benefit data icon. On the benefit data homepage, you can select any of the 12 benefit topics to browse. Here you can browse the benefit entries under the topic area you selected. Once you've selected a benefit entry, you should see something like this. Each benefit entry first provides a concise summary of the ITS deployment or research project. The benefit entry then summarizes the research project's methodology. Finally, the entry summarizes the research study's main benefit findings. On the right side, you can find a link to the original study along with other information about the entry. These links allow you to browse for similar entries or read the original study for a deeper dive. Thanks for visiting, and we hope you enjoy exploring the ITS Deployment Evaluation website.